Hey guys, this is Patrick Sheehy with 5 Ocean Sales, Wyoming Territory Sims Rep. So new introduction to Sims, this is our Daymaker Net. So what we have here is our medium and then our small. We're looking at $199 and $159 for the medium and the small. Makeup of the net, let's talk about a little bit. So this is a carbon composite handle and hoop all the way around the net. We have some nice Sims locators on the rim of the net, and then a nice Sims shout out up on the handle. This material actually is going to get tacky when wet, so it'll give you extra grip. And then we added a nice thumb hole here too, if you need to do that one-handed release, or one-handed netting, excuse me. Also with the small, as you can see, a really good size, a great size for the average waiter who just wants a nice easy net for the day, right? So the Daymaker net. On the bag, we are using a PVC bag, which has tons of stretch to it, right? So as you net a fish, it's gonna stretch as you're scooping the fish. It's also gonna add a little bit durability too, so you're not gonna have that breakage. It's also UV protected, so it's not gonna rot on you after a while. After all of our testing with this net, we have found it to be super strong, very light, one of the lightest nets on the market, and one of the strongest nets, if not the strongest net on the market as well. We're excited for them. You guys are gonna love these.